Do you think you need a partner to grow your business? Or are you struggling to grow with your existing partners? Many print companies has a great potential products and they want to expand into partnerships, but they don't know how to start. On the other hand, a lot of existing franchising network and wholesale printers which were highly successful at one time are struggling today with outdated technology and processes and not able to offer modern customer experience. So let me share the four key aspects that is key to drive the strong partnership. One, you need to have the right partner to synergize so you can focus on your core competency. And the most importantly, you need to look for partners who are quick to adapt as per the market needs and they implement the technology for end-to-end automation. Second, you need to look for the technology which is flexible and which helps you to synergize the strength of the partner. So at OnPrintShop, we have developed this partnership management solution, which is a one solution for all the partners. Today, post-pandemic, print company wants to grow into multi-print segment and sales channel, but the biggest challenge they face is they have to invest in multiple web-to-print platforms to manage these multiple partners. We had one customer who was a franchisee network, had 40 franchises, and they had to invest in four different web-to-print applications. And in spite of having four different web-to-print, they were not able to generate the results. Their team were managing multiple backends to set up one product. They had to go into four different admin panels. So that is the reason partnership management solution will solve the challenges of print companies. So with one solution, they can launch their own online stores and further replicate their successful business model and offer web to print stores to their resellers and franchises with their own brand, which helps them to grow more sales. Even they can bring the orders into one platform from external marketplaces, even their physical branches. It also has a tools like multi-print segment designer studios and business solutions to grow into multi-print segment. And in the backend, it is connected with your third-party platform like CRM, MIS, workflow for an end-to-end automation. Third, you need to focus on offering modern customer experience which is consistent. And to offer that, you need to have a centralized order management and processes. So here I like to share the success story of A Plus Printing, who was a local print shop from Florida, and today they are fastest growing trade printers serving nationwide. So let's hear the story of A Plus Printing.
Technology only gets better if you put time and effort into it. And OnPrintShop has been one of those companies that has not stopped improving the technology. And that has changed the way we do business. We were very limited. And I was showing some of the statistics of what we've done. We're talking about 4 times the amount of customers, 5 times the reach. Sales have tripled even during COVID times. So we're talking about just an incredible output because of acquiring OnPrintShop. We went from 11 people between pre-press and customer service taking in orders and processing some of the data to 4. So we currently have 1 person in customer service and we have 2 people in pre-press, and we produce nearly 450 orders daily. That is what this website is great about.
So A Plus Printing had a potential to grow and reseller network, but they were struggling with their existing web to print because they were not having a flexibility of custom development. So today they have migrated on OnPrintShop partnership management solution and launched their wholesale storefronts offering wide range of products. And they were quickly able to replicate this successful model and now offering reseller storefronts with their own brand. So now resellers have their own storefronts with the ready product which they can mark up. So A Plus Printing with the partnership management solution has a unified dashboard in order to manage all the orders, production. Even the production members are also having their own unified dashboard, and they've been keep introducing the new products for their customers and resellers. For the resellers are having their own store. So in matter of clicks, they're able to launch a new reseller site. Resellers has their own brand with the ready products, plus their own dashboard and even marketing tools to engage more and more online customers. And that is where A Plus Printing was able to synergize the reseller network and achieved 200% increase in revenue in COVID times and reduced number of people from 11 to 4 in order processing. The second story which I would like to share is of UPS Store Canada. They already had the existing partners and franchisee network like 370 locations, but they were struggling to connect them and synergize with the help of technology. So their previous web to print application was fairly limited, and today they have launched this global online store connected with 370 branches. So any customers can order online, get an estimate, wide range of products, even design online, and at the checkout they're able to offer them the connector with the store. So there is an end-to-end automation. So any orders received online automatically goes to the selected branch. So now UPS Store Canada has a unified dashboard with a centralized visibility and accountability at the centralized level, at the same time at the branch level. And branch manager also having their own dashboard with the ability to manage orders and offer the best post-purchase experience. And that is the reason UPS Store Canada was able to achieve 50% growth in online orders and 100% elimination in the manual job processing. Fourth, you need a flexibility and scalability in your technology. Today, the market is very volatile. Every day, new requirement comes from the customers. You might need an additional custom development or integrations, or you may acquire a large B2B customers who might want you to connect with their own ERP. So today, OnPrintShop offers ready integrations with hundreds of third party which are leading in the market for end-to-end automation. Further, we have been very flexible and open, even connecting the third party best technologies, like we have connected with Canva Designer Studio, Chili Publish. Even we have connected major suppliers API for end-to-end automation like 4over, Cena Printing, even promo suppliers. So that is where OnPrintShop been offering the flexible and scalable technology to help print companies to grow into multiple sales channel and multi-print segment. So if you are a print company wants to grow into partnerships, or if you are struggling with your existing partners, to know more, connect to us at www.onprintshop.com.